Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to block Twitch ads. First, you're going to need two things. The first is the link I've placed in the description of this video, and the second is an extension called TamperMonkey. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for TamperMonkey. Install it just like any other browser extension. Once it's installed, you don't need to change anything. Just leave it there. Next, open the link from the description. On that page, you'll see an install button. Click it, and TamperMonkey will add a script to your browser. This script is designed to block Twitch ads automatically. Mine says reinstall because I already have it, but for you, it will just say install. That's all there is to it. 2 steps. Install TamperMonkey, then install the script from the link. The whole process takes less than a minute. To show you how it works, I'll open a random Twitch channel. You can see the stream is running smoothly in full quality with no interruptions. Before, other methods would drop the quality down to 480p or 720p. This one keeps the stream clear in 1080p while blocking the ads. Thanks for watching.